Is the true picture as rosy as it seems? Take Alice, our environmentally conscious consumer. She's now buying a Too Good To Go bag from Carrefour in hopes of making herself a yummy dinner tonight. A few moments later, Alice spots her Too Good To Go bag. Her eyes light up, but alas, the ingredients were not what she expected. What is in that bag? Well, these ingredients doesn't match what she wants or needs. The worst case scenario, it might end up in the bin.
Sadly, Alice isn't alone in her experience. Many users find their surprise bags lack variety or contain item pairings that don't go well together. We introduce WasteTooTaste, Too Good To Go's new AI-integrated system turning potential waste into culinary adventures. With WasteTooTaste, surplus produce like Carrefour's pistachio yogurt and others are fed into the system. The list is analyzed by the AI technology to create surprise bags containing items that can be used in a mouth-watering recipe. For example, pairing the pistachio yogurt with heavy cream for a delicious pistachio mousse recipe, or with lady fingers to create a luxurious pistachio tiramisu. Now, Alice can navigate the Too Good To Go marketplace to find a bag that best matches her filters. Whether she's in the mood for something savory or sweet, Asian or Western, there will be something for her. WasteTooTaste empowers Too Good To Go's consumption-based approach. Improving the user experience grows the sales of its surprise bags while enabling supermarkets to boost customer outreach. Most importantly, users receive produce that fits their cooking needs, ensuring the produce goes into the cooking pan instead of the bin.
WasteTooTaste turns surplus into supper and waste into wonder.